Hey everybody, welcome back to another traveling crew video. This video is all about transiting through the Delhi International Airport, which is also the T3 Terminal 3. So I'll be answering questions like whether you would have to go through immigration, customs, or what really happens. So there are very few videos. I couldn't find any with a lot of details on the subject and quite a lot of questions on various social media platforms. So I thought it'll be important for us to understand what really happens so you can see it. Okay, so this man, the employee of the airline, I was flying Indigo, which is an Indian airline. So he asked us to just wait here and at the transfers, and then they're gonna take us to our gates. And they've stopped people with international transfers, gathered them in a group. Probably they would arrange for a bus or something like that. I'm not sure what's the purpose of getting people to stop here. So we'll find out in a few minutes. So we're being led by the airline staff. So they asked us to gather in a group, and then he says, "All Bangkok passengers, follow me." So that's what we're doing now. Today I'm flying from Tashkent to Bangkok, and there is no immigration. We're just going directly to the next gate. I cleared the security and I'm out into the airport. The transfer is done successfully, so I'm near the gates. So this is how Delhi's airport looks like. It's really beautiful. All that artwork on the walls. So what this means is if you are transiting through the Delhi International Airport and you're taking connecting flights here, then you don't have to go through the immigration. So it's just gate to gate. There's security in between. This is the duty-free area of the Delhi airport, and you can see a lot of booze everywhere. People love booze here. There are lots of these kiosks on the way, so it's a long walk, nearly half a kilometer, and you could see books, souvenirs, sweets like this one. As I was walking by, the food court's signage caught my attention, and I'm going to the first floor to grab a bite. So this is the food court at the Delhi T3 International Terminal. They seem to have, there are some birds here, pigeons. They have these Delhi street food, chaat wala. Well, I'm not up for the street food, so let's see what other things are on offer. There's the standard Subway. Okay, not interested. Let's move on. What's the next one? It's this is Subway, and this one's what? Domino's? Domino's pizza is generally good in India. And then there's McDonald's. McDonald's, I would skip Indian McDonald's, not to my taste. I don't want to eat potatoes in different flavors. And there's KFC's. Boring. And what else do we have? Okay, these are like the washroom and stuff. Okay, and there's more Indian street foods. I'm looking for something South Indian if possible. But Delhi may not be the best place for South Indian food. Let's see anyways, because I haven't had South Indian food and...
Sir, आपका टोकन नंबर 83 है.
Thank you. They were very helpful. They told him I didn't have any currency, so he said, yeah, you could take cards. Find some place to just sit down and wait for my food to arrive. So I stopped at this shop called Curry Kitchen, right? And there I got this one called Chole Bhature, the big These two big breads, freshly made with local curry sauce. I hope the mic works because there's a lot of noise in the background. And this is what the curry sauce looks like. This is local food, and this city is popular for this kind of breakfast, early morning spicy snack. It's kind of warm here, but the food's really good. This comes without Lassi in an earthen glass. Environmentally friendly, I suppose.